Asante Kotoko share. Crop Asante Kotoko metema one must share and of the penny madri.
Yes.
Nadia Chenesa. What when each them a war? Kotoko CEO appointment. This week we catch us and Comodian be intensify with regards to the CEO and the coaching position. You know. My catch out that I say 3 people are Omudino Egusu editing to my wagrodumo. Georgia Free Fedachi and Openya Yefeni say Nanaya Amponsa. Nan Comodiano a shassia. A man be born and Amponsa di catch or me catch or say somebody within the board. What convincing other board members, you know, and observing Wabakaya. Say board members here or Kwesi Ofori or say any or Aban.
Yes.
And I just show
the chairman.
The chance Mr. Kwesi Ofori any Kofi Aban, Dr. Kofi Aban. Omoye fantastic people omo ekurana ya mponsom say twitwe anya atam ketwa now omo achirem e de achire the board chairman say ya mponsa no and the sponsorship dodo na e ba Kotoko o resisika e de ma Kotoko no enti e baya Wamu entwa na mo say young man no person ya adwuma na omfa adwuma no emfama na na yamponsa.
Okay.
Enti no kwasme wo ne say dia meeting ya busapanyi. Impeccable sources close to the board. Now na na yamponsa position am catch us say onye interested no.
Yes.
He's becoming interested in a job.
Wow.
And will show clear interest. Will show clear interest. And actually nipa one and no edin komodo.
Okay.
Last time me catch there and go for say sa some na ya me tie say na Kotoko adwuma no say um di o fa so no mu ya say obi amabiem am catch nipa kro na o wadwe ozi ade nefa kwan bi so o wadwe ne o say obi de nefa kwan bi so say nipa kono o say opportunity job ba unless my mentally as him with
Yes.
I said that Asante Kotoko adwuma ne ye tie kire na mse hunu say bibia nim but mpanyin for them won now you know how people lobby to get the Kotoko job. People lobby to get the Kotoko job. Omo lobby ankasa so mpeso mo ye Kotoko adwuma. Esan sa me do bi nti me do poku nti na me do Dr. Chei na me do na Amponsa na me do na Pinkra na me na Pinkra me fine na we ni me fine ti sa ni pakro do kwa na me madwene me say ni pakro no okọ ne buafu eti Kotoko no kra de anytime wo ka so mra ho bi o ma ya me si munya sa asem ka ni pakro nya obeba na Amponsa I like it say the penny oba be take you over Asante Kotoko adwuma no as the CEO at the Asante Kotoko.
Nice one.
Maybe the futu manko fo bi o amfa. But me whoever becomes the CEO because what the future at the man for. Nipa bebrebe ya Kotoko for if it's an Amponsa every Kotoko they sat on the fence and make mockery of their own club that they claim to love. Omo defense no so no omo sre club no omo di club no fe the be say na Amponsa ba omo asesi omo de omo ni fe no akwakotra wo no so na wo wasi fom na wo todum na wo bojam na wo bose na omo so sre mo sana Kotoko ne tie na nipa ne bebre ho abuzapanyi omo di ko na chinche tu kan sia omo ntiase. When Kotoko lost to work of Morocco, I saw people who did not just claim to be Kotoko supporters. They were officials and also supporters in painful position who were jumping and dancing in front of the Baba Sports Stadium when Kotoko had lost the cup to work of Morocco. So Kotoko we need 2-1. After Sana work, I said Kotoko 1-0. How much guys was able to take penalty?
Listen, you don't need a rich uncle, you don't need a rich auntie, and definitely you don't need to beg.